go, thank you.
Can you tell me if Elaine Dickinson is on this flight?
Well, the whole flight crew is boarded. Let me see. Oh, yes, she is on board.
I'd like one ticket to Chicago. No baggage.
Smoking or non-smoking?
Smoking, please.
There. Have a nice trip.
Striker, this is Red Leader 4. Primary target covered by fog. Decision to proceed is yours. The decision is yours. It's yours. It's yours.
Shit, man. That hunky must be messing my old lady. Got to be running coal upside down his head, you know?
Hey, home, I can dig it. No, he ain't gonna lay no more big rap up on you, man.
I say, hey, Sky. Southern say I won't sing. Pray to Jay, I did the same old, same old.
Hey, knock yourself a pro, slick. The gray matter back, lot performers down, not take TCB in, man.
Hey, you know what they say? See a broad to get that booty yak 'em? Leg her down or smack 'em, yak 'em. Cole got to be. You know? Shit.
Nervous?
Yes.
First time.
No, I've been nervous lots of times.
Hi, we'll be taking off real soon, so I better fasten you in tight. Thank you. Oh, Mother, this is so exciting.
I know, but remember, you must get some rest.
That's good advice. You relax, and I'll be back right after we take off.
God, Bill, I'm gonna miss you so much.
Oh, I'm gonna miss you too. Promise you, right?
Every day. Bill?
Better get on board, son.
All aboard!
209 to ground control. We're loaded and ready to taxi.
Goodbye, Bill.
Goodbye, darling! I love you, darling!
209er, taxi to runway 19er.
Goodbye, darling!
Have your picture taken the minute you get there. Send me one, all right?
Okay, here, hurry!
Oh, but it's your watch. You shouldn't. You're gonna need this.
It's all right. It doesn't work.
Bill!
Goodbye, darling!
Bill! Oh! Bill! Bill! Oh, with me all the time. I swear to you.
Darling, take care of yourself. Goodbye.
Flight 209er, you are cleared for takeoff.
Roger.
Huh? LA departure frequency 123.9er.
Roger.
Huh? Request vector. Over.
What?
Flight 209er, clear for vector 324.
We have clearance, Clarence.
Roger, Roger. What's our vector, Victor?
Tower radio clearance, over.
That's Clarence, over. Over.
Roger.
Huh?
Roger, over.
What?
Huh? Who?
Thank you for clicking on our video, everybody. If you like what you saw here, please make sure you like the video and subscribe and share with your friends who like this sort of content. JoBlo remains an independent company, and we appreciate all of your support.